Hello, students of class 7 of Vidya Bhavan School. Hope you're all doing well. So, today we will discuss formula and their application, and we will discuss exercise number 13. So, we will discuss sum number 48 in this video. So, what is given in sum number 48? It's given if x plus y equals to 8 and xy equals to 15, find the values of x and y. So, what data are given? Let us write it first. So, x plus y equals to, it's given 8 and xy it's given 15. So what can we don't have the value of x minus y. So I have already told you x minus y whole square. This we can write as x plus y whole square minus 4xy. How if we can write? Just note it down here. I have already shown in some previous video, but here I am showing it once again. So we can write x minus y whole square as x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Why? Because if you just expand this, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy, you will get x square plus y square minus 2xy, which is nothing but the formula of what? X minus y whole square. Right? Now here we know the value of x plus y. What is the value of x plus y? 8. And we also know the value of xy. What is it? 15. So this will be 64 minus 60, which is 4. So can we write x minus y whole square equals to 4? Now if x minus y whole square equals to 4, then x minus y will be root over of 4 plus minus. So x minus y can be plus minus 2. That is, I'm just removing this note part. So x minus y can either be 2 or x minus y can be minus 2 also. Okay, now let us give this equation equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay, now considering this equation, okay, so if x minus y equals to 2, then x is how much? 2 plus y. I'm just taking this y here. Okay, now if x is equal to 2 plus y, putting the value of x 2 plus y in equation 1, we will get what we will get? X plus y equals to 8. This is equation number 1, and we have get x as 2 plus y. So 2 plus y is already here equals to 8. So this is 2 plus 2y equals to 8. So we can both two 2's are in this term 2 is also present, in this term 2 is also present. So we can take common 1 2. So this will become this, and 1 plus y equals to 8 by 2, which is 1 plus y equals to 4. So y equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we have got y equals to 3. So what will be the value of x? X is 2 plus y. So 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So x equals to 5. This also we have get. Now see here, we have got x minus y equals to 2 and x minus y equals to minus 2. Now here I have considered x minus y equals to 2. Now we have to consider the other case also. So let us consider the other case now. So this thing you have to do, then you will do the next one. Okay, just I am rubbing this part. Okay, now if we will write same thing, x minus y equals to minus 2, then the value of x will be minus 2 plus y, just taking this y this side. Okay, so again same thing, we will write putting the value of x equals to minus 2 plus y in equation 1, we get what? So equation 1 is x plus y equals to 8. So x's value is minus 2 plus y, and we have y already 1 by here. So this will be minus 2 plus y is plus 2y. So both the terms have 2 in it, so we can take the 2 common. So we will be left out with minus 1 plus y equals to 8. So we can place this 2 here. So minus 1 plus y equals to 8 by 2. So minus 1 plus y equals to 4. So y is, we will take this 1 here. So this will get positive, 4 plus 1. So y is 5. Then what will be the value of x? X is minus 2 plus y, minus 2 plus 5, that is 3. So my x value is 3. Okay, so the answer you can write x is equals to 5 and y equals to 3, or x equals to 3, y equals to 5. So this will be your ultimate answer. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.